social media is a powerhouse. That is why we were able to do more than 50 million of real estate business last year just by using social media. Spending $0 and doing multi-million dollar business? How come it's possible? Let's go into the 5 platforms, top platforms actually, to focus on. The number one is Facebook. I was talking to someone that Facebook, which is called Meta, is going to die. But there was a surprising fact that out of those top platforms, 3 of them are powered by Facebook, which is called Meta. So Facebook holding around 3 billion people on that platform. It's not going to die. It is going to adapt. The taxi business never dried up. It adapted Uber. So this is what is going to happen. The Facebook will adapt. So you won't run from that system. It's better to build your credibility. So how to use Facebook is have your personal page, have your business page. Business page can be used for your marketing purposes, for analytics, and you can use and bring your personal users to the Facebook. What we do is we post on our business page, bring the traffic to our personal page because we have more users on the personal Facebook platform, and it is giving us a global reach. Why? Because a lot of people moving into North America, outside of the world, they might be from Europe, they might be from Asia, they know us already on the Facebook because they know we are doing real estate, we are always posting content on those platforms, which is giving us an edge. So never forget to post consistency on Facebook Marketplace. Join those groups, add value, which will come back to you. Another important platform to talk about is it's called YouTube. The secret behind YouTube is the second largest search engine platform, which is owned by the number one platform, which is called Google. So if you are not searching anything on the Google, obviously you are searching on YouTube. So this means if you're creating content, videos which are searchable, you will be on the top, you will be adding value to the client, everybody will be coming to you. So never forget about the YouTube. That's why we are so much focused on YouTube these days. We have live content coming up only for you, for your viewers, for our team. We are educating, adding value, which is coming back in the form of a business for us. So focus on YouTube videos. That is a key here. Try to understand, if it is taking time to make videos on YouTube, what about door knocking? If you have done door knocking for 3 hours in a snowy environment, in whatever is sweaty outside, and you are door knocking, if it was COVID time, it was really hard, and people don't like salespersons entering your home, and you are door knocking and you're not getting any result. Instead, sit at your home, spend 2 hours, do the analysis, create a video, edit it and post it, and it's evergreen content which is there 24/7, 365 days every time. Now we are seeing the feedback. People are watching our videos from last 2 years. They're coming to us. We saw you on that YouTube video or that marketing area on that social media platform, and that bonding was already there. We were the real estate expert. They came to us. We added value. We provided a service, and they are our evergreen clients. Next one is WhatsApp. Yes, it's the largest messenger communication agent channel that's being used. You can use broadcast list, which is available in WhatsApp, to share latest updates to your clients and friends. You can use WhatsApp status, where you are posting for new pre-construction projects coming up, new updates on real estate, updates on high interest rate, inflation, all those values. When you're adding when the construction is happening of any side, when you're adding those values, people know you, they're watching your stories, they're always in touch. And the point is, you are always here in people's mind. You're not door knocking, they're watching you, the door is always open, you just need to tap in. So the WhatsApp channel is really important. But our favorite is coming now, which is called Mr. TikTok, which was created just to add small videos and entertainment dancing platforms people were enjoying, but we used in a platform called education plus entertainment, which we called edutainment. We used that platform, leveraged that. We had so much followership of that. Even I saw one of the videos for us have done more than 1 million viewership. Crazy algorithm here to tap into that opportunity, tap the trending systems that is happening. If you're struggling with the social media, I would encourage, don't miss our trainings, which are always posted on our platforms. Attend that in person or online. That will be really valuable for you. We will discuss tips, hashtag marketing strategy, trends, music, all those things, how to scale on the social media platform. And the next one is, apart from the favorite, where our most of the business is coming from, It's called Instagram. Yes, this is also powered by Facebook Meta. Obviously, lot of reels, a lot of values post. It's now becoming a video only platform. It's copying a lot of things from TikTok. Even we can see YouTube shorts for there. So it's like a generic platform that is happening. Why we always call it, people want continuous and instantaneous gratification. That is happening by those social media platform, which is like short videos, educating, entertainment. This is what is Instagram is all about. Now what it happens is, people message us on any new project coming up, we are interacting with them, we are always on their feed, which is creating bonding with them and helping us scale our real estate business. We have more than, as of now, more than 50,000 viewership on that. A lot of our business comes from Instagram, and the best part is it's not local. The edge we have is, we are not a local brokerage, we are a global brokerage, but it's giving another edge is, we are on social media, which is helping us, people coming throughout the world, anybody landing in North America, coming to Canada, coming to Ontario, Alberta, BC, whatever, they're in touch with us, and we have a team members across everywhere where we are helping them. But the point of contact is social media. We are using that channel, which is helping us scale that business and build a real estate empire. And same you can do, build your real estate empire. Just focus on those 5 platforms, and if you have questions, do share in the comments, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and attend our further social media trainings.